June 16. Bureau Report DD News Shillong.
Representatives of three civil society organizations, Nyotrap Youth Council HYC, Jaintian National Council and CORP have submitted a representation to Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today on the implementation of the Citizenship Amendment Act 2019 and its rule of 2024. In the representation, the social organization maintained that although the CAA 2019 provided for exemption of the applicability of the Act in the tribal areas of the state, but the fact remains that the whole state of Meghalaya is not under the 6th schedule. There are still areas under Shillong City where the provisions of the 6th schedule are not applicable and also where a large number of immigrants are residing. The organization expressed apprehension that in such cases, the state will be affected by the spillover from other states, especially Assam.